Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make oxtail pepper soup. It's been raining outside since yesterday and I don't want any cold. And when you take in this pepper soup, it's going to make you feel cozy and make you feel alright. So come with me and let me show you, let me share with you this wonderful recipe. For today's recipe, we'll be using salt, half the size of this onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and 2 garlic, Maggi cube, pepper soup spice, stock from the oxtail that I cooked. Is very soft. You can see very soft. Some water, and this, I don't know the name, but if you know the name, kindly let me know. But I know they use it to cook pepper soup, and I think it is called konofuru in Yoruba. I'm not so sure. If you know the name, please kindly put it down in the comment section. Thank you. I've already put my pepper, the blended pepper, on the stove. Next, I'll be adding in the stock. I will cover it, allow it to cook very well for about 7 to 10 minutes. It's time to check. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be putting in the oxtail, some pepper soup spice, just a little. With this, if you know the name already, let me know. Some water, because we really need the soup. Crayfish powder, I'm just stirring. You notice I've not added any seasoning. No salt yet, no Maggi. It's because I use the stock from the oxtail. So I'll cover it now. It's spicy. I can feel it in my throat. Wow, amazing. This is what is called onsokutuwopo. If you've noticed, I've not put any seasoning. Whenever I use stock from the beef or chicken, anything I cook, I don't use Maggi or salt. I allow it to be the last thing to do. So let me taste now for seasoning. This is wonderful, super wonderful. Come and join us. Our oxtail pepper soup is ready. My house fills with this aroma. Yeah, this is our oxtail pepper soup. This is so nice, so super nice. When I serve my husband this, he's going to be so happy, and there is no way there's going to be any cold if you have this type of pepper soup. If you love what you have seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload new videos. Don't forget to give your comments, and if you know the name of the thing I showed you, one of the ingredients used, please don't forget to tell me the name in the comment section. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy, and you will even enjoy better. Till next time, bye.